So it's already been a crazy day. Uh-oh. It's still humid out, as you can see. Let me clean the lens. Bear with me. But I just got off shift this morning from the firehouse, and I already had a call saying the insulation was here. Sorry about that. Anyway, so I had a tractor trailer here waiting at my house for me to get home to unload the insulation. This is really a pain in the butt, not gonna lie. Someone help me out, I need an anti-fog. Kind of gives a cool effect though. So I raced home at a tractor trailer here with a bunch of insulation. So now I kind of quickly unloaded it, and now I'm trying to quickly in my garage so it doesn't get rained on. So that's what I'm doing right this second. Stuff is not like and one more for the money. Now that's a workout in this heat. A couple more to do. And a nice goodie box. Let's see what's inside. Aha. Bunch of tape. White tape. That was my question actually. If I puncture a hole in it, how do I cover it up? So kind of answered that with my own thing right there. All weather tape, different sizes. That'll be good. And I know they have double-sided tape when you actually put the sleeves together. Anyway, so as you can see, the insulation is here, and it's all in my garage. This is all the insulation for the shop, including the roof, sidewalls, end walls, and so forth here. It's all labeled. Let's see. It's labeled. Look at that, it's kind of slick actually. It's actually the roll number, the thickness, the size, R19 value, and it says roof. So it actually says the position. And I believe these other rolls, yeah, so like this one says end wall, R13. So yeah, I got tons of insulation here. I hate to move this thing twice, but I had to move it twice because I don't want to hold up the truck driver once again because he had another delivery. And he kind of just dumped it on the side of my yard. Well, at least I told him to. But I wanted to get it all in my garage because, well, I don't know if you can tell, but yes, it's starting to rain. Unfortunately, the skies are gray, and I wanted to get some work done today. Hopefully this will pass. The good thing about this rain, there I am, is actually hopefully going to drop the temperature. This humidity is absolutely killing me. I haven't stopped yet since I've been home off duty from the fire department. But, you know, on another note, let me set this up. While I was doing all of this, I had an appointment today with the solar power company, SunPower. That's the company I've been kind of working with, going back and forth with. And today, really, they came out to do a site survey, kind of get measurements of my roof, the pitch, the sun layout, figuring all that out, how I want to do it. So the conversation I had with them was really how I wanted to put solar on the barn. I want to put it on the barn for two reasons. A, it's a brand new roof, so it's going to last 30 plus years. I don't have to worry about taking it off. The position of the barn is in the best position possible as far as the surface area of the sun layout throughout the day. So it's the most efficient area for the panel's absorption of the sun. So it'd be another great situation to have it there as well. Challenge is they say they can't put it on all types of metal roofing. I talked to the rep while the guys were here today. They said, yeah, most likely they can install it on anything. So we're trying to figure that out. But they came, they took measurements of my house, the pitches of the roof, if I do put it on there, and the barn, and how I want to do that. So the moral of the conversation is I want to put it on the barn, but they said I need to finish the roof first. They'll come back out here and do some more engineering so they can bring it back and plan that out. But the goal is to have the panels on the roof that will power the barn, come back to the house and power my house as well. That'd be a win-win situation, so I can get free electric for my house and at least reduce my bill for my home in half, you know? So I can't beat that. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Sorry, guys. But anyway, more to come on the topic of solar energy and how I'm going to provide that into the barn for electricity and my house and make that all more efficient. So right now it's been a crazy morning. I think it's, I don't know, it's already 10:30 and I haven't stopped yet. I'm already on my second t-shirt because I'm sweating through it. Hopefully this rain comes down, drops humidity. Right now, I gotta go study some more blueprints, figure out what the next step is, probably do some groundwork today between the showers, but try to get some stuff done, and then tomorrow we'll hit it hot and heavy again on the steel and get some more pieces up. So. All right, guys, have a good day, and I'll see you all later.